Back here again with a special guest. Guess how many ducks are on her hat? Good. So this is what I ate. I actually ate a full pizza. We're currently pretty stressed right now because the bus doesn't allow luggages. So we're just
I'm Gil. I go to UBC. Chances are I'll bump into Mona.
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 Mona, what did you say? Some lashes. Anyways, let me close the bathroom. What I love about this is that it's all music. Look, they have a speaker. It's all music themed. Isn't it nice?
It looks so delicious. Looks so
delicious. So, how's the food? Everyone's running. Everyone's running. Let's go home. Is it Almafi?
Positano.
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 Heading to Positano. So we were down there yesterday, private island, Capri's there, Positano is under there. I want to swim! Hello, drone. I guess you're drone to the view. It's Positano! Hello there. They're very red. But now we have lemon. How much is this, Anna? 20.
Yeah, 7 day and the whole day.
Don't worry, don't worry. Slowly, slowly.
Thank you. So, 我们在煮什么
Pasta.
？Pasta.
Yes.
Fresh pasta.
Yes.
Zucchini. This is the chef.
We have to go today.
Nice to meet you. I am Giovanni Trinomo. Then we'll take this one again. Perfetto, yeah. Press like this and make it in. Different from the other one. This one has always 3. Hello. Yeah, cut. Yeah, very hard. We told you're strong. Like,
Bro.
Yeah.
Which one's mine?